What's up, guys? Welcome to the Diet channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So today's let's quickly go through this strategy right here, and then we are going to implement this strategy to make monetary revenue crash. This strategy is for those that have a small account, okay? And this strategy is going to be benefit for you to make crazy monetary revenue crash. So you can see we have a $97 account right here, and it's already been grown into a $700 plus. You can see this is not a joke strategy was discovered from one of my mentees, and then I work on the strategy and I will see that this strategy is very crazy, using it to make a lot of money trading the Roman crash. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and to avoid strategy, you guys will be aware. So I may wonder how we was able to open this type of lot size with this trade right here. You can see we already took a trade on the VIX 75, and then it had been running to like $100 plus before we took in the crash 1,000 trades. Okay, so with that profit that we make on the VIX 75, it gives us a higher chance of open multiple positions. That's why we are here right here. And again, you can see we have some loss on the crash 500, which is almost reached our stop loss. So, and we are okay with that because we have already made crazy money with this strategy right here. So now we do something, guys, with your account management. No matter how small or big your equity is with your account management, so just contact the number you are seeing at the screen for account management, and then we'll be able to assist you out. Though we have terms for account management, we have terms and conditions, and we will send you the terms, and then if you agree with the terms, then we are going to manage your account for you, and then you make profit, and then we share it. So as with that being said, let's quickly jump into the strategy right here. So now this is settings for the strategy. This settings for the strategy. So let me first show you guys the settings for the strategy. Strategy is very simple to use. I show you the settings, and then I teach you guys how you can make use of this strategy to make money trading. So let me now I'll be able to delete this strategy up. I'll be able to delete it up because if I delete this strategy up, it's going to take much longer before we'll be able to finish this video, and I want the video to be long. So now the first thing I want to do is just click on this icon right here. So this way we are going to be adding our indicator up. So the next thing I want to do is click on the F plus. So when you click on the F plus, it's going to be in your main chart. Now click on the F plus and search for a moving average. Then click on it. So when you click on the moving average, this is the parameters for the moving average. The period is 19, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to low, and then the style, I'm going to be using the blue color. You can choose any color of your desire. So choose color of your choice, and then you set everything up, then click on save. So it's going to be in your main chart. Now the next thing we're going to be adding is going to be the RSI. So what we need to do is just click on the F plus. So we click on the F plus, search for your RSI and click on it. Now this is the parameters for the RSI. The period is 50, applies to close, and the style is not necessarily. So now what we need is the levels. Now we need 20, 80, 50, 10, and the 90 levels. And I'm using the black color as my style for the level. So we set it up, then click on save, and this is how it's going to look like. Now the next thing we want to do, now once we set that RSI up, it's going to be listed on the indicator window 1. So you click on the indicator window 1, F plot, which you can see right here. Click on it, search for your moving average, and click on it. Now we search for moving average. These parameters for the moving average that is going to be in our indicator window 1. Now the period is going to be 1, the shift is 0, the method is also exponential, applies to low as well. So now the style, I'm going to use the blue color as well. So when you set everything up like this, then click on done. I'm sorry, and then you're going to have your moving average right in your chart. Now we need to add another 2 moving average. So click on the one F plus and search for your moving average. Click on the moving average, and these parameters for the moving average. The period is 30, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to low, and the style, I'm going to be using the black color. So when you set everything up like this, then click on done, and then you are good to go. And the last but not the least indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the moving average also. Search for your indicator with 1 F plus, search for moving average, and then this is the last parameters for the third moving average. The period is 9, shift is 0, the method is exponential. Also apply to low, and then this time I'm going to be using a black color. So click on save, and this is how your main chart. Your chart is going to look like this. Is how your chart is going to look like. So now, like I say, strategy we are going to be using it on the 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, and the H4. So and the 1 hour time frame and the H4 time frame. Now, so I'll be using the sake of this strategy for the sake of good that mostly use the lower time frame. So I'll be using the 5-minute time frame because this strategy is very crazy on the 5-minute time frame. Now, so now this is our expectation, and as I'll explain this to you guys, so you can use this explanation to work on the other time frames. So everything is applicable on the other time frame. So now this is crash 500. I don't want to use the crash 500 because it's a decent trade. So let's use the crash 1000. So we have a running position right here. You can see it's just a sniper interest right here at the crash 1000. You can see sniper entry with no drawdown. So let me switch back to my 5-minute time frame for the explanation. Now this is our explanation. This is our expectation right here. Maybe I show you the 15-minute time frame because it's more. Sorry. Now for the zoom level or the zoom out completely, you need the third zoom levels. So you zoom out like this, and you need the third zoom levels. So I want to use the third zoom levels, which is going to be this one right here. So now this is our expectation right here. Before we take any trade, this is our expectation right here. So now maybe I want to use a clean explanation with the strategy right. I want to use a clean explanation with strategy. Now this is what you need to note, and whenever I want to use strategy, first you choose your higher time frame. When you choose your higher time frame, you need to see your expectation. Now these are our expectations that we need to see. Now the first thing we want to see is we want to look down and make sure that we have the moving average going above the price, which means that the price needs to be below the moving average. When this price is going below the moving average, this indicates that the market is in a sale. When the price is going above the moving average, this indicates that the price is at the buy. So which means that we will be looking for a buy. Now this H1 time frame. Now how do we use strategy to take trades? How do we now use the strategy to take trades right here? How we use strategy to take trades? Now on this, figure out your confirmation on the higher time frame. What you need to do is just to make sure that you check everything well. Check everything well before you take any position. Now the first thing you want to do before taking any position right here. So maybe I should use the 15-minute time frame. So now once we have already discovered that the market is in a downtrend, so the next thing we want to do is just to looking for where we are going to be catching spike, where we are going to be going for a sell. Now to go for a sell with the strategy, this is what you need to do. Now switch your 15-minute time frame and then check. You can see the market is moving in the downside right here. Now the first thing you want to look out for right here, the first thing you want to look out for is just that you make sure that probably now you make sure that you see the price moving above the moving average, and then you want to see that whenever you see this all these indicators right here, especially the 90 levels of the RSI, this indicates that you want to go for a sell. That indicates that you want to go for a sell trade, and whenever you see it at the downside, that this indicates that you want to go for a buy. But I will advise instead when you check on one hour time frame and see that the market is selling, so all the opportunities you'll be looking for is a sell. All the opportunities that you'll be looking for is going to be for a sell. Okay, so that is that. And for a buy, this is what you need to see right here. So you want to check that the price is moving above the moving average, and then you want to look down to your chart and see that all the moving average in the one is going to be at 10 levels of the RSI. So as simple as that. Now let me show you guys the fixed trades right here. So this fixed trade is been running massively. So now How are we going to use this VIX to take trade as well? So now I'll be using, now let me use the 1 hour time frame for this measure of the VIX 75 right here. Now the first thing we want to look out for is just we want to see these touches, saying that the price, all the moving average touching the RSI at the 90 levels, and we want to go for a sell, and then we want to see the price going below the moving average, which means that the moving average needs to go above it. Now when you see that, then the next thing we want to look out for is that we want to see whenever the price touching the moving average line, right here, when touching the moving average line, then we want to look out for a sell. And we figure our confirmation in our indicator window 1. So now for a buy, to look for a buy position right here, when we want to look for a buy, then we want to see that the price is at the overbought levels, which means all the indicators touch the 10 levels or 20 of the RSI, and then the price needs to go above the moving average. So once that's happened, then we want to wait for the price to come back and touch the moving average. When it touches, that's when we are going to expect to go for a buy. So as simple as this is, as simple as the strategy is. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime I post a strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.